Welcome to our exploration of house front gate designs in 2024. Whether you're building a new home or looking to refresh your current exterior, the design of your front gate plays a crucial role in setting the tone for your property. It's the first impression your home makes, and it should reflect both style and security. In 2024, gate designs are evolving with a focus on modern aesthetics, innovative materials, and smart technology. Let's dive into some of the most popular trends and ideas for front gate designs this year. This year, minimalism continues to dominate in architectural trends, and it's no different when it comes to front gate designs. Clean lines, simple forms, and an emphasis on functionality are key characteristics of minimalistic gates. These designs are often crafted from materials like metal, wood, or a combination of both, with a focus on creating a seamless and unobtrusive look. Another trend gaining popularity in 2024 is the integration of natural elements into gate designs. Homeowners are increasingly drawn to materials that evoke a sense of nature, such as wood, stone, and greenery. Wooden gates, for instance, bring warmth and an organic feel to a home's exterior. Whether it's a classic timber gate or a contemporary design with wooden slats, the use of wood can create a welcoming and earthy atmosphere. Some designs even incorporate living elements, such as vines or vertical gardens, which can grow over and around the gate, blending the structure into its natural surroundings. This trend not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, but also promotes sustainability and a connection to nature. In 2024, smart technology is playing a significant role in front gate design. Home automation systems are becoming more advanced, and gates are no exception. Many modern gates now come equipped with smart locks, intercom systems, and even facial recognition technology,